Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Nicpro brand 120 pieces of hobby blades, SK-5. They're number 11 size, and it comes with this nice storage case. These are excellent for your craft, your hobby, scrapbooking, stenciling. These get great customer ratings and a full refund from the company if you have any issues with them. And I've been using this for years. I love this little container it comes in. You can see right there, 120, and it has a little pull piece right there to allow you to open them up safely, and they're all lubricated so they won't rust, and they have foam protecting them, and they work on all my standard hobby knives beautifully. These things are sharp and they're very durable. The hardened steel on them, they're unbelievable. This is just great quality, so I'm impressed. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.